know, sometimes I envy Chinese person.
Why?
Because in the China world, we eat so much delicious food. In the UK, we don't have such food. Always eat sandwiches and goddamn bread. You know, you enjoy life even as a child. 吃遍中国，今天我们吃什么
Today I bring you the area you need to compete with that person to get food.
Oh, don't worry, I got this. I can eat everything.
Let's go.
It's so cute. Look at it, so fat. You can pigeon as pets.
Is this pigeon for eat?
What?
碰到了卢康最爱的腊肠。
I said if my mom knew how to make these sausages, I would be the most luckiest daughter ever. 'Cause I would eat all of it. There wouldn't be any for sale. Oh my god, that is so cheap. If that's from Chinese to Glasgow money, oh my god, that is so cheap. It's like £2. That is cozy life, you know? Okay, let's go check out what we're gonna eat.
今天带小老外吃的是成都的坝坝宴。12点过来人太多了，下午2点再过来吃。
有时候避开饭点也不行啊，没啥东西。
Damn, it is so hard to choose because look at it. There's so many dishes. I just want to take all of it.
这个很好吃的。哦，真有。不知道能不能吃完哦。我们点了
腊肉、猪肘、甜烧白、凉拌鸡，还有凉粉。
看是有多嫩。
Oh my god, this dish right here, it is right melting in my mouth. Oh my god, like an ice cream.
尝尝四川必不可少的红油凉拌鸡。
Oh, the color good. Flavor is kind of like nub chicken, you know, flavored.
Yeah.
Except that it's chili oil. Covered in chili oil. How's this? Oh my
You want
god.
to see? I know you like it. No,
This thing is the best.
他这边尝试了。
Oh, this looks so garlicky sauce. It's so soft. The meat is so soft. I'm gonna be honest, guys. With you. I don't really like sweet pork. It just doesn't match the combination.
Huh?
You know, sometimes I envy Chinese person.
Why?
Because in the China world, we eat so much delicious food. In the UK, we don't have such food. Always eat sandwiches and goddamn bread. You know, you enjoy life even as a child. I don't get that opportunity. Surprisingly, this what's it called?
凉粉。
This lamb is so soft. Oh my god, look. Okay, but it's so soft. Some of it it's very hard, and you cannot, you know, you cannot chew it sometimes.
So today, which one you think is best?
I'm gonna disappoint you.
With that mild meat. I know mild meat is your best all the time.
Which one for you is best?
凉粉，凉粉
Oh,
is
that's
best.
what I thought. Cause you like that
因为
one.
这个凉粉它是做的好，做的好。
It's one bite and it's like jelly, you know.
是。今天就是太多吃不完了，我们打包带走。最后消费220元，我还是那句话，他们的凉粉真的很不错。